As you can see, Quant is listed on Binance Futures. That is good to see. It's good to see that it's gaining momentum on different exchanges and also on the futures platforms as well. So people can bet against the price, or they can bet for the price as well. That's perfectly fine. That's acceptable. It just happens in today's world when it comes to trading. It could be anything, but it just shows the popularity that it has recently. So whenever something gets listed on Binance Futures or on a large exchange like this is also a big thing. Now, it has been listed on Binance for a while and is currently ranked number 30, but there's a lot of interesting developments happening behind the scenes. And if we sort of put two and two together, there's also some really interesting stuff happening for where this could be going, especially in the realm of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Now, Quant is currently trading at $180. Its all-time high last year was just shy of $400. So it's around it was around 380, 384. So it tried to get to that $400 mark, but as we all know, what happened last year with the bull run, it was hammered by macroeconomics and also Bitcoin's price going down. So Bitcoin's price does dictate where the rest of the market goes, and we are also trying to find ways where Bitcoin can go for the next few months. Now, I do think we could be seeing Bitcoin's price go to around sort of 15,000 to 16,000, but then from there, we could be building our prices upwards, and this will also affect the rest of the markets. Now, if you don't know what Quant is, the TLDR is pretty much the underlying technology when it comes to transferring capital from one place to another. It was launched in 2018, in June 2018, and the goal is to connect blockchains and networks on a global scale. That's the key word, or the key phrase there, global scale, without reducing the efficiency and the interoperability of the network. And the interoperability means communicating one blockchain with another. And that is important, especially as we get into the next stage of crypto, of its adoption, and going from that as well, different networks communicating with each other. That is super, super important. So Quant helps with that. And I do think it could be some of the underlying technology when it comes to CBDCs. It is also ISO 222 certified, which is a certification, a standard, which different cryptocurrencies can abide by if they want to be accepted by countries and companies that want to adopt a standardized transfer method of money from one place to another. So it's a really interesting standard. Check it out for yourselves in much further detail. I'll leave some links down in the description below. Going through some of the latest updates, talking about the Quant network itself, they're saying that we're in the middle of the transformation of money. This is a very key and critical time in our history, and the financial system has the opportunity to evolve something that's fit for purpose for the next 30 to 40 years. I think we can all agree right now that the financial system is pretty much broken, and there needs to be a way to be, there needs to be something to fix it. And many people say that Bitcoin can be fixing that, and I do believe so. That's one of those mechanisms that could fix and